Psst. You. Yes, you. Today, Mr. Tarded Mos is going to show you the secret laboratory for the big bikes. I'm very sorry, but now I have to cover your eyes that you don't find out where the place is. Yeah. Sorry about this thing. But you know, in these days, only winners survive. So we need to give top effort for everything. Here is our secret laboratory. We have a high-end alarm system in here. We have a eyeball sensor over there. We have Ipad2 with a air compressor application available in an app store. So we don't have any kind of problems if they cut the electrics, you know, if some nuclear war or something is coming. Okay, so let's go inside the laboratory. Eyeball sensor. Okay, let's go. Welcome to Mr. Tarded Mos secret laboratory. Come here. What do we have here? We have a brand new YCF pit bike. Full modded motor. In this laboratory, we can test everything. Everything. Aerodynamics, full speed, everything. Oh man, those pit girls are so damn hot in these days. It's so bloody difficult to concentrate to race after you have seen those babes. Man. Woo! Yeah! When building the bike, we have to make sure that everything is going to be perfect. So, what we need to do, we have to simulate the whole race, that we can collect the right data, that we know that the bike is working well in the real life races. I show it to you now how we are doing it in the secret laboratory. Okay, the race starts. Oh my God! There is so much people behind me. Oh, that Roy guy is so fast. And there is also Timmy. But no worries, because he's so fat and stupid. No, he's not going to pass me. Okay, now they are far away. No worries, I'm going to win easily. Yes, bye, yes. Okay, and the main straight comes. Oh shit! Do I smell rain over here? Oh my god, it is rain! Shit, my front fender is not working so well. I really suck when racing in the rain. What happened now? Oh my god, the race specialist man is even closer than I thought. Yes, but the finish line is already showing. No problems, no just trouble. Okay, go. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Thank you. The race was very hard. We had a lot of difficulties. Rain and the wind and everything. But you know, the winner is always the obvious one. Winner takes it all. Mr. Tarded Mos, number 1. Woo! Thank you. Thank you. Hey girl, please come here. You know, the saying goes like winner takes it all, so maybe we can just some